Hello, my fellow investors. So I just completed my 28 weeks of investing on my M1 Finance account. By the way, welcome to my channel. This is my dividend investing portfolio called the Moneymaker. I just completed my 28 weeks. Before I start, I just want to let you guys know that I did not deposit any money this week. Since I've been minimizing my account, there were just too much going on. So the only really thing that I did this week was I sold more stocks and I rebalanced my portfolio. So you guys know, I've been minimizing my account. So I had 34 holdings in my last week video. Now I only have 22. This may be the final look of my Moneymaker portfolio. As I go through my slices, I'm gonna let you guys know what changes I made. So for you guys who are new to my channel, my Moneymaker pie consists of 90% stocks, 5% real estates, and 5% bonds. Alright, let's go through my stocks first, which consists 90% of my pie. And of course, let's change this to week and let's see how we did. The first thing that we're going through, we're gonna go through technology because we're gonna save the no dividend for last as usual. For my technology, the only change is that it used to be 20% last week. Now it is 25% of my stocks slice. For this week, Nvidia, I gained $10.49, which is up 1.92%. Microsoft, I gained $16.84, which is up 3.55%. Skyworks, I gained $3.75. which is up 1.10%. So you guys can see, my technology did pretty well this week. My biggest gain is Microsoft, which is 3.55% return. My technology this week gained $31.08, which is 2.28% return, and I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my industrial. One of the changes that I did on my industrial slice is that it was 12% of my stocks slice before, now it's 15%. As you guys see, I only have 4 stocks on my industrial slice now. I sold Caterpillar this week. I sold my Caterpillar because I think that it's not gonna grow as much compared to these other 4 stocks that are here right now. Alright, for my Lockheed Martin this week, I lost $1.05, which is 0.43%. Seems like this is the only red for this week. 3M, I gained $2.97, which is up 1.46%. Honeywell, I gained $4.27, which is up 2.11%. Waste Management, I gained $3.16, which is up 2%. So my industrial did pretty well this week. I only have 1 loss, which is Lockheed Martin. For this week, my industrial, I gained $9.18, which is 1.04% return. And I did not earn any dividends. So before I go to my consumer, last week video, I had consumer defensive and consumer cyclical. But I just decided to make it as one slice because there's really no point having 2 different consumer slices, so I just decided to combine them. So my consumer slice consists of 12% of my stocks slice. And of course, for this one, I really had a hard time picking which one to sell between Home Depot and Costco. So after a long debate with myself, I just decided to sell both of them. That's why I only have 3 stocks now in my consumer slice. Alright, for Pepsi, I gained $2.72, which is up 1.08%. McDonald's, I gained $1.43, which is up 0.56%. Procter & Gamble, I gained $6.10, which is up 2.54%. So I'm gonna let you guys know, I decided to sell Costco and Home Depot because the value per share is just too much, and I don't think the dividend per share is worth it. That was the main reason why I sold them, and I just stuck with these 3. For my consumer slice, I gained $13.12 this week, which is 1.72% return. I did not earn any dividends. Let's go to my finance, which is 10% of my stocks slice. For my finance, as you guys see, I only have 2 now. I decided to sold American Express this week. Visa, I gained $5.60, which is up 1.81%. JP Morgan, I lost $7.50, which is down 3.44%. So for my finance this week, I lost $7.58, which is 1.26% return. My earned dividends is $2.48. Alright, let's go to my communication, which is 8% of my stocks slice. This used to be 5%, but since I have fewer slices now, I made this to 8%. For my communication this week, Verizon, I gained $1.79, which is up 0.82%. Net is Incorporated, I lost $2.59, which is down 1.40%. For my communication this week, I lost 80 cents, which is down 0.20%. I did not earn any dividends. 80 cents loss is not that bad. Now let's go to my healthcare. This used to be 8% of my stocks slice, but now I turned it to 5%. For my healthcare, I decided to sell United Health Group. And now I'm only left with Johnson & Johnson, and I'm probably gonna just stick with this stock and hold it forever. Alright, for Johnson & Johnson, I gained $2.74, which is up 0.88%. So for my healthcare this week, it says I lost $1.67, which is 0.41%. That's maybe because I lost on United Health Group before I was able to sell it. That's why even if it says I gained money on Johnson & Johnson, my total for this week is still $1.67 loss. This is still not bad though. Hopefully it's gonna keep going up. On the video last week, I had a slice, which was utility and energy, but before this week, I decided to remove the slice and sell my 3 stocks, which were Nextra Energy, Magellan Midstream, and Chevron. I finally decided that I'm not going to be investing in any of the energy or utilities stocks. Plus, I wasn't really gaining that much money from those energy and utility stocks anyway. So I just decided to cut them off. Alright, now let's go to my no dividend slice, which was 20% of my stock slice. Now it's 25%. Before I go through my no dividend stocks, I'm gonna let you guys know that I sold Shopify, Illumina, Dexcom, and Facebook. And I decided to just stick with these 4 stocks right here. Tesla, for this week, I gained $91.12, which is up a whopping 26.49%. So pretty much Tesla was killing it this week. It got from 950 or 960. Now it's 1,200, which is crazy. Tesla was just unbelievable this week. And of course, I can see Tesla growing in the future. And like I say, I firmly believe that it's gonna pass Amazon someday. For Amazon this week, I gained $27.60, which is up 7.73%. Netflix, I gained $16.40, which is up 7.08%. Google, I gained $14.35, which is up 6.05%. So as you guys can see, this is the reason why I have 25% of my stocks sliced at my no dividend, because they are just crazy when it comes to gaining money. And of course, Tesla is just killing it. For this week, my no dividend slice gained $143.47, which is up 2.68% return. Wow, this is amazing. Alright, so my stocks for this week, as you guys can see, I pretty much won. Of course, my biggest gain was my no dividend, which is 10.68% return. My biggest loss is finance, which is I'm down $7.58, which is 1.26% return. This is not bad. I mean, it's under $10, so it's still good. For my stocks slice this week, I gained $180.46, which is 2.95% return. And my earned dividends is $2.48. Now let's go to my real estate, which is 5% of my moneymaker pie. American Tower, I gained $12.54, which is up 3.50%. Digital Realty Trust, I gained $5.54, which is up 2.22%. So as you guys can see, my realty stocks pretty much did good this week. For this week, I gained $18.08, which is 2.97% return. And I did not earn any dividends. Alright, let's go to my last 5% of my moneymaker pie, which is bonds. So as you guys know, for my bond, I only got Vanguard Total Bond Market. So for this week, my bond, I gained $2.21, which is up 0.50%. My earned dividends is 93 cents. That's a pretty good dividends to me. Hopefully, I'll get $1 soon. So my pie has gotten a lot boring, but I believe that even though it's more boring now, since I don't have that much stocks, this will just make me earn more money in the future. Plus, this will put my invested money into a better use. You know, instead of buying a lot of different stock, it's only going to be concentrated on few stocks that I think that it's going to win. So I know I said this may be the final version of my moneymaker pie in the beginning of this video, but let's see how it's going to look in a few weeks. I'm definitely not going to be adding more anytime soon, but I cannot guarantee that I'm not going to sell any more stocks, because I may sell some of the stocks that I can see that's not really performing on this pie. For this week, my moneymaker gained $200.75, which is 2.80% return. My earned dividends is $3.41. $200 gain in a week is pretty big. This is how much I usually deposit in the beginning of the week. So I'm pretty impressed with how my pie performed this week. Alright, so that's it for this week. Hopefully you guys are also winning on your portfolio. And of course, if you guys are losing, maybe consider selling some of your stocks, just like what I did. And maybe your portfolio will perform better after that. So alright, I'll see you guys again next week. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.